Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another review. This shoe is a little different from what I would usually cop. I know usually on the hill we do sneakers, Jordans and Pumas, whatever. This is a different shoe. To me, this is more of a casual sneaker. Slept on. I think it's a dope shoe. They came in two colors. They had the all black. Those are dope, but they're all black. They're plain. So I kind of wanted something with some color to it. This shoe was pretty dope. To me, it slept on, of course, because everybody's going for, the usual Adidas, Nike, Puma, whatever. And even some, the multicolored Vans, different things like that. So I saw these. I think Soul Links posted the link. If you follow them on Twitter, shout out to Soul Links for the assist. And I thought the shoe was dope myself, so I went ahead and copped it. Interested to see what they look like in person. So let's get to it. You can see it's a Vans. What else they have in here? Oh, this is the receipt and the return label. Okay, so these are, the color is multi, turtle dove, and true W. This is the Vans Varix WC. Varix WC. So let's see what they look like in person. All right. Yeah. I like these. I dig these. Yeah, these are nice. These are nice. I can rock with these. I can make something happen with these. Retail on them is $100. Man, this is nice. Okay, the shoe has like various materials on it. So like here, even with the tongue is leather, the side panel is leather, the toe right here, the toe box is leather. Now, the rest of the shoe, like here on the back, the toe around here is actually a suede or a nubuck material. And right here on the tongue. These are nice, man. I actually like this shoe. This is a dope shoe. It's a cool casual shoe. Like I said, I wanted a nice little casual date night shoe or something I could just put on and rock and kick it. I like these. I'll definitely rock these. I'm gonna put a fit together and rock these. The weather wasn't so bad here. I'll probably rock them tomorrow, but weather's a little too bad. But yeah, retail was $100. Like I said, they also have an all black pair. So if you're interested, you can get an all black pair online as well. But I will be rocking these. These are nice. They look big. I know I wear size 13, but Jesus Christ. That's the bad part about some shoes, man. They just look like Titanics, man. These look huge, but I like them. I'm gonna rock them. I'm gonna see what they do. Let me know in the description what you guys think about these. Like I said, it's a Vans Varix WC. If you want a pair, I think I'll put a link in the description. You guys can check them out if you like them. Like I said, they come in two colors, but these are dope. Shout out to the good people at Soul Links for the assist. Like I said, they are some people you want to follow on Twitter if you're looking for restocks or releases, and they send you the link and you go and make that cop. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, I want to show you guys that. Also in the description, I'm going to put my link up. I still have shoes on sale. And I've also added some jerseys on there as well. So I added a Jackie Moon basketball jersey. I added a Bo Jackson White Sox jersey, Mitchell and Ness. I added a Nolan Ryan Mitchell and Ness Astros jersey. And I added a Bobby Boucher jersey, the collab with Villa and Fabulous Line Blood sticker. It's a Bobby Boucher jersey. So you can check those out on there as well. I added those. So check them out. Let me know what you think. And like I said, let me know what you think about these shoes as well. Probably have a couple more pickups I'm trying to scoop up. So that's pretty much that, man. Until the next release, y'all stay tuned.